Here is how you complete the largest method. For simplicity, I put objects I in another variable that I call current. You don't strictly have to do that. And now I have to check whether current is bigger than largest so far. While they are objects, so I can't compare them directly, I have to compare their measures. Is the measure of current bigger than the measure of the largest so far? If so, I change my mind about who is the largest so far. It's exactly the same algorithm that you've seen in lesson 7, now applied to measurable objects. Let's run the tester, and we see what the most fuel-efficient car is. Not surprisingly, it's that electric one.